if you want to postpone this picnic...
Are you backing out on me, Buchanan?
No. It's just after that mess at Landfair, I just thought you might not be in the mood anymore.
Will you stop apologizing for your family?
No, don't get me wrong. Look, I love them all. Asa, Clint, everybody. I hate the fact that they might scare you off.
Well, you forget I'm from Chicago. I don't scare you.
I know, but see, we're in the early stages of this relationship.
Is that what this is? Is that what we're having? A relationship?
That's a good question. Why don't we just go upstairs and find out?
Brandy for the ladies, and a brandy for the gentleman, who very discreetly and very quickly is removing his clothes in my room.
Just getting a little more comfortable?
Mm-hmm. Settling in for the evening?
It's the idea, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, I mean, you know, the two of us, a nice quiet evening alone, maybe a little wine and cheese, some music, take one Buchanan, me, and one funny, intelligent, gorgeous Gannon, you. Put them in close proximity and just see what happens next. And what happens next? The doorbell rings.